Hello Fashionistas, welcome to Fashion. What to say that African fashion has grown in leaps and bounds over the years would be an understatement, because most definitely African fashion has taken its rightful place in the community of fashion globally, and our fashion is now being embraced worldwide and being given the respect it deserves. And kudos to all those fashionistas and fashion designers and fashion enthusiasts like myself who are promoting our fashion, our culture, and we're indeed proud of the enviable heights that African fashion has come to take when we talk of fashion in the global arena. Today's videos, as those styles are rolling by on your screen, we've put together another collections of beautiful, lovely, fascinating, stylish and trending styles for you. And you know, when we come through with our video, it's always full of styles that are for every woman, regardless of your age, body type or preference of styles. We always carried everybody along, and today's video is no exception to that disposition of ours on this very platform. As usual, we urge you to sit back, relax, and get yourself thrilled, wowed with what we have come through for you today from the beginning to the end. And most definitely, you will be glad you did. Today's video is full of impeccable styles that will give you that maximum styles inspiration. Just endeavor to finish watching this video from the beginning to the end. And all props and credit in this video goes to those highly creative, highly resourceful fashion designers who are always coming up with all these fantastic concepts in terms of best of African styles and availing us the opportunity of showcasing them to the rest of the world. Kudos to them. Enjoy this lovely video. Leave your thoughts below in the comment section. Give the video a thumbs up if you find the styles in it interesting. Subscribe if you are new to this channel, and turn on your post notification for you to always get notified anytime you drop a video like this on this very platform. And don't forget to share this video with family and friends for also even to spread the trend of African designs and styles across the world. My name is BJ, a fashion enthusiast and a promoter of African print designs, and also an ambassador of African fashion. Wishing you a lovely day, and I will see you at the end of the video. Thank you.
We've been living in sin so long, all the feels are gone. Fella stopped me on the street last night, said everything's alright. Roller coaster, make it through the day upright. It seems your meal ticket is gone, but life goes on. I could never imagine something better. Yeah, right. Now you're cooking on high heat in the middle of the street. Roller coaster, take me to a better time. Let's go! All sing your high line with the roller coaster of life. Yeah. It's time to all choose your timeline on the roller coaster of life. You seem to easily forget how to place your bet. When everyday life gets you down, you gotta steal the crown. Got to own it. Don't bitch and moan about it, please. nothing to sneeze at. Oh, I've told you over and over again, you gotta get both hands around it and make your own plans. Roller coaster, it's taking over, it's about time. Oh, sing your high line on the roller coaster of life. You've got to all choose your timeline with the roller coaster of life. Roller coaster. I want to go down the rabbit hole, down the rabbit hole of life. And now it's about to leave. Oh, roller coaster.
Thank you for watching that lovely video. Hope you enjoy what we've brought to you today. If you do, give this video a thumbs up and help us to share this video with family and friends for us to even spread the trend across the globe. And don't forget to leave your thoughts below in the comment section. My name is BJ. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.